Hello, good evening, everybody. This is Dr. Rizvi from Technic Sources. So I hope you enjoyed the Bank Nifty today. I have opened the same chart today, and you can see the things which I told yesterday, the resistance and the support. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see the resistance was at 54,200, and the support is at 53,000, 54,000. See how how good my prediction was. In fact, that was not prediction, it was all chart based. So it's very easy, it's very evident what I told you, the movement of 200 points, and it can be easily seen from here. So similarly, if you keep following me, you will see the same results because this is all my experience. Based on my experience, I keep telling you about the buying, and I insist that your target should be less. And your number of dots should be more. So if you see a 3-minute chart, if I just let you see this particular chart, 3-minute one, you can see that here the market opened uh, at a very fast pace in the morning and made 3, 4 candles. Later on, there was variation and the market kept moving between 53,948 to 53,104. And that was the range, which I told you, this 200-point range, and the market did not go out of it. So, in fact, we have to follow this particular strategy and keep seeing the resistances. Tomorrow, we have the Bank Nifty, the Nifty expiry. So, I would prefer to talk about Nifty 50, which is expiring tomorrow. And you can see a 3-minute chart here. So if I uh, try to make, if I try to make the prediction, in fact, I try to see the price, what should be the price range, then I can make a maximum here. If you see here, this is moving up to 26,032. Now, this is on an all-time high. So we have to be really careful. But you see the extent of green candles which were made from the morning. At 3 p.m. specifically, it moved to 3 p.m. Then the candle for 3/6, 3/9, 3/12, and the movement was like uh, 930 to 26,020, right? Kind of 90 points in a very short time. So this 26,032 is our new resistance. So if I write here resistance will be 26030. And what will be the support? If we see the 3-minute chart, the support would be very prominently 26,000, 25,950, 25,950 is the support. And if the market breaks the support, then the next immediate support is 25,930. This is the next support. And if we go further down, the next support, if it breaks this one also, then 25,870. 25,870. This is the next support. So I'll make it the semicolon here so that there is no confusion. And Here also, I'll make a semicolon. And here you can see the supports are big, but the resistance, big resistance. This is major resistance. Now this is major because now this is an all-time high. So we will see what will be the trend tomorrow. The same chart, if you go for a 15-minute one, then the supports and resistances, again, 26,030, which I made already, 30, 35, 40. It can be anything, right? Plus minus 10, 15 is normal. So don't consider exactly the same as the support or the resistance. And then 25,880 or 70 I discussed. Here also it's very evident. And if it breaks this, then we have the support of 25,850. So we can expand this and 25,850 is the next support, right? I'm discussing the supports. And very clearly, the supports will be easily traceable from the chart. If we discuss about the next support is 25,000. 25,800 is the next support. So if it keeps breaking, which are the chances, because the market is on all-time high, you can see these days the market is not fluctuating too much. So the variation in the market is not much because the market is towards all-time high. And it is, people are anticipating a crash, but I would again stress it won't be a crash, it would be a correction, not a crash. So correction can be like 100 points, 200 points, but a crash is like 800 points, 1,000 points. So we are not anticipating a crash, but yes, a correction is possible. But again, the market is moving up and up. So if you see another in 1 hourly chart for Nifty, we can see that the support is again, if we move further down, then the support down there, the support is again 25,600 and 25,500. So 25,600, 25,500. So many supports. The resistance is like these supports will become resistances once the market is opening gap down. So this will act as the resistances. But right now they are the supports. Now, if the market moves up, that means if it crosses 26,030, then tomorrow, that means if there is a gap up opening tomorrow, then what we'll do? Then, of course, we have to buy a call, right? Call of not, I mean, it will be advisable to buy an expiry one at the money one or in the money, not out of the money. But if you are really interested in making big money, so what you will do, you will buy smaller lots and you will buy more lots of smaller size. That means I recommend it should be like 8 to 10 rupees. 8 to 10 rupees. So if I use my kite, that's the best thing on my mobile for, and that's pretty quick. So if I see Nifty call, Nifty uh, 26,000, if I see a 5-minute chart, let me make it more clear. A 5-minute chart. So if tomorrow 26,100 call, how much it is? You'll see 25,100 call is 26 rupees. Now 26,200 call. This is 10.45. So let me write it down here. CE 26,500. And what is the cost? It is 10.45. Now remember, the lot in Nifty is lot size is 25. That means price will be 10.45 times 25, which is kind of rupees 250 for one lot, right? If 10 lots are bought, the price will be 2,500. Okay, 2,500. Now, if you make a target of say 20 rupees, right? 20 rupees. So you're basically in one lot earning earning in one lot is equal to almost 10, right? Because it is 20, 10 into 25. This is 250 rupees. Okay. And if we see earning in 10 lots, then you multiply it by 10, it becomes rupees 2,500. So you put in 2,500, you get 2,500 easily. But if the market opens, if and this if is if and only if the market opens gap up. Okay. Now let us see what if the market opens gap down, which is a major possibility. So what we'll do is we'll see the scenario here. Okay. So in that case, we'll buy a put, very clear put. Okay. But what will be the cost of the put? Now, this is what we bought 26,500, quite away from them, right? Because we are going to deal in smaller size lots. That's why we have considered that. Now, if, for example, uh, 26,000, okay, so now this 26,200, this was 26,200, sorry. This was 26,200, not 500. Okay. Now put. Let us see the put. 26,000. Now this is if we consider 25,800 put. So this is 9.5. So 25,800 put, and the price now is how much? 9.5. Again, if you put a target of 20 points, 20 points, so we get 10 points per head. So our investment is again rupees 2,500, about rupees 2,500, 9.5, we consider 10. Okay, 2,500. Earning is again 2,500. So you invest 2,500, you get 2,500. Now this is about lots are 10. Maximum lots allowed is 60. Okay, depends on your capacity. Now, when the scenario is possible, if the market opens gap down, gap down. And you have to see again at after 9:30, what is the position of the market? And as soon as you see that the market is going down, makes a red candle, so that is the sign that you have to buy a put and make small target. Make small target, increase the number of lots, and then you will see that how good is your investment and how quickly you earn this much money. So that's all about today's video. And it's me, Dr. Rizvi, buzzing off with this particular video. We'll see how profits, how much profits you earn tomorrow. Do keep commenting on my video. If you like it, do share and subscribe. If you like, because this is just for knowledge sake. I'm not, as a professional trader. I am also investor like you, and I just share my views, my experience with you. This is just for knowledge sake. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And see you again tomorrow with a new video, a new analysis in which I'll discuss some new booming stocks and stock options. Goodbye. Take care.